Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley. If it's your first time here, welcome, and if not, welcome back. Today I have my hospital bag video, so let's just jump right into it. So I want to start off by saying that this is kind of a labor of love because I have been packing my bag for a very long time. I like to be prepared. I had my twins at 36 weeks and I was induced with my third at 37-ish weeks. So I am no stranger to delivering early, and I just like the feeling of being prepared. This time I did the same thing. I just throughout my pregnancy have been putting things inside of my bag just because it's easier and I don't have to scramble to get things last minute. So I will start off with my personal bag, which is this one. This is the Crosby by MZ Wallace, my favorite. And this will be carrying all of my electronics, and this is mostly like my personal bag slash labor bag. I like separating this from the big bag, which carries everything for our hospital stay for my daughter and for myself. And that way I kind of like have everything separate. When I'm in labor, I can just have this bag, don't have to open a suitcase. I can have this near my bed and grab the things that I will need, and you know, it's a lot easier for me, I think. So I'm going to start off by showing you what I have packed in this beautiful backpack. It has a nice little zipper in the front, and this is where I have some wet ones because I like the idea of having these in case I get sticky, because last time I did have popsicles. And I also have a pack of travel wet ones or water wipes. And this is in case I just want to wipe my face or something or anything. I just have those in there. It has a second pocket in which I have my wallet, because I'm gonna need this eventually, and Kleenex because I tend to get a runny nose in the mornings, so I just want to have those in there in case I need them. Okay, then it has another zipper pocket, and this is actually where I have my beautiful planner. This is by Rad and Happy. It's the small undated planner and I am obsessed with it. So I have that in here just in case, I don't know, if I get like an appointment or something. I have a pen, and I don't think anything else. Yeah, that's it for this pocket. Okay, and then for the big pocket, I have a wristlet by Lily Jade in the blush color. And here I have the essentials for laboring. I know that this is what I'm gonna need. I have a lip mask, which I used last time and I absolutely loved. I have my face mask, my favorite, which is my tie-dye one. I know that you will probably need like a medical one, but I have that in case. I have AirPods. A little face refresher. I got this on Amazon just because it just feels really nice to have that cooling sensation on your face. I have my Touchland hand sanitizer, which is one of my favorites. This is the lavender, I think. I'm not sure. And then most importantly, I have a little fan because I did get hot and I threw up last time. Oh, I'm hot right now. So this will come in handy because especially if I get like nauseous, I can refresh my face a little bit, and this is really nice. Also Amazon. I will link everything in the description box below, but just know that everything is either from Amazon or Target. And this is one of the most important things. This was a lifesaver when I delivered last time. This is a travel charger by Mophie. So this is my labor bag. Then I have a delivery gown. This is by Freedom Mom. I just got it because last time I did have a delivery gown and it was so nice. It just felt I felt prettier. The nurses loved it. And I really liked this one because it's super soft and it has pockets and sleeves. So I just went with this one because why not? Okay, then in the back I have a folder. You're gonna need a folder or something to carry all the paperwork that they are going to give you, because they are going to give you a lot. In this back pocket I am also going to be adding my iPad, but it is being used right now. Okay, and then like in the main portion I have this little bag that carries all of my chargers for everything, like for my little nightlight, for the sound machine, for my phone. I have a 10-foot charger for my phone. Like all cables are nice and tucked away so they don't get tangled or lost. I have a little wet bag, and this is to store the delivery gown because that way it doesn't get anything else all nasty. Okay, and I don't have anything in these little pockets, but I do have in the main compartment my makeup, and I am not 21 anymore, so I need my makeup, and I just went ahead and got my favorites in travel size, like some setting spray, setting powder, foundation. This fell out of there, but this is a little invisible. I have something for my eyebrows, blush. I have a mirror. Then I have some highlighter, bronzer. I even have a little small eyeshadow palette just in case. I doubt I will use eyeshadow. I have all of my favorites in this little bag, and it fits perfectly, and I like having it here because if I want to touch up my makeup during labor, I can. I have this little cute hard case by Away, and this is where I will have my G7X Mark III from Canon, which I hope I am able to vlog. And I love that I can have my battery in here. I have a little ring light. And my camera fits in here with a little tripod, so I am good to go. Everything is in here, and that is it for my personal bag slash electronics bag slash delivery bag. And I love that it's just the essentials, or at least I feel like it's the essentials, and I don't have to get into my suitcase. I will most likely walk into the hospital with this baby, which is my love. This is an Awala bottle. I love it so much. It's 32 ounces and it's perfect. So this will be with me also. Okay, so now for the big one. I did go super minimalist, or I feel like I went super minimalist with my hospital bag. So I'm going to show you everything I feel like I am going to need and will most definitely use. So let me show you that one. Okay, so this time I went with a rolling suitcase because I am most likely going to be delivering alone. So I will much rather have this and put my backpack on top of it if I want to, and not have to carry heavy things. So this is the bag that I chose. It's so cute. I love it so much. In one of the sides I have only a blanket because I feel like I don't care too much about the pillows. And I'm also kind of thinking about taking my pregnancy pillow because it's just so comfortable and I'm used to sleeping with it. So I might take that one. But I have a blanket, and that's it for this whole half of the suitcase. Okay, and then for the other side, I have the bare minimum with a little bit of extras. For example, this is an extra. This is a little jelly cat that I'm going to use for a photo, and I'm going to use this with a copper pearl swaddle blanket that has a matching bow. It's so cute. It is in the color plum, I believe. I know that everyone is very into neutrals. I just love color, but I have that. And then I have her name tag. Our baby's name is Ava Juliet. She's had her name picked out since we found out she was a girl. So it's been a long time. I just think it's so pretty. And I think that this will look beautiful with the plum color. So that's obviously extras. You don't need that, but I like the idea of taking a pretty picture at the hospital. This is also an extra. This is a little sleep pod. This is by Happiest Baby. They got me with their ad. It just seems adorable, and I will like to have it just in case she is an escape artist like my Olivia was, who did not, she could not be swaddled, that girl. So I'm going to try this one out. Also, keeping on with the extras, I have a nightlight. I think that this is a necessity. The hospital lights are very bright, so it's nice to have a little nightlight so that you can control kind of how light or dim you want your light, especially when you have to get up and nurse the baby at night. And I think that this is the last extra item. This is a little portable sound machine. We do use the Hatch when we are at home, but I didn't want to take it to the hospital, so I like having this one because I can use it for her. Because if you have never delivered or have never been at a hospital, it's very noisy, and you have a lot of people coming in, like housekeeping, the people that bring you your food, the nurses, the doctors, everyone is coming in and out of the room. So it's nice to have a little white noise to keep like your baby calm. Okay, so for myself, I packed These two nightgowns, they are from Target, but they are no longer sold there. I think that they don't make these anymore, but you can also get the ones that everyone is getting from Target that have buttons all the way down and are super cute and comfortable. They are by Stars Above. I will also link those below because I think that they're wonderful. I do have one of those actually, but I'm taking these because they are long sleeved and soft and I don't need a robe. As for like nursing bras, I am only taking like a sleeping bra because it's the easiest and most comfortable, and I will obviously go to the hospital with a bra that has a clasp in the back because for delivery you need that. Okay, and then I have two pairs of soft non-slip socks. Last time I delivered, they did give me some special socks because they like to have different colors in case you are a fall risk. So I'm guessing I'm gonna wear those, and after I take my shower and everything, I can wear the soft ones, but I'm taking two just in case. And that's it for myself for my hospital stay, as far as clothes go. Then I have my toiletry bag. I love my toiletry bag because it's just the perfect one. You can kind of see everything. I have a teaser tangle brush. I have what's this called? A travel razor. I have toothbrush. I have dry shampoo, deodorant. I have toothpaste, the one that I like because some just make me gag. And then I have a shower cap. I have some nursing pads. I have some disposable like makeup wipes. I have my favorite moisturizer. I have nipple cream, deodorant, a nail file, and I also have After Ease, which I have never used before, so I'm hoping it's worth it. But basically I have everything I need for toiletries in this bag. And then I have a Kanga Care wet bag, which I use for all of my dirty clothes, and for the truth is the baby is just gonna wear a diaper, so it's basically just for my clothes, and that's it. And as far as shoes, I'm not taking slippers or flip-flops or anything. I am gonna walk in with these shoes, and these are the only ones that I'm going to wear. I'll walk in with them, I'll do everything with them, and then walk out with them. They are super comfortable, and I usually get like super swollen after I deliver, so these are a lot more comfortable for me. Yeah, highly recommend these. And then the last items that I have are my items for going home. I have a little sweatshirt from Target in case I want to like cover up a little bit. I have my favorite leggings from Aerie. I will link them below because they are awesome. And I have a nursing tank, simple black, all black except for the little sweater, along with my going home outfit. I brought these. I don't think I'm gonna wear them, but these are the Lilova pregnancy proof underwear. I just packed them in case. I have some socks because I don't know, maybe I'll want socks, and a little hair tie. So that's everything I have for myself. Last but not least is what I have for my baby for going home. I have it packed in this Lily Jade, I think this is the large packing case in mauve. I have her passies in a little passy case, and then I have a set of little mittens and a cute little white bow. This is from Baby Bling, and this will go with either outfit because obviously it's white. Okay, and then I have two outfits for her because I don't know how big or small she's gonna be. And this one seems super small. This one is by Loved Baby, and it's kind of like a light coral. And I'm gonna pair it with this hat from Copper Pearl. So cute. But it does seem super tiny. And the second outfit is by Kite Baby. I am obsessed with how soft these are. And this is in a beautiful like mauve pink, and it has the matching hat. I love this so much. And it's a little bit bigger, so I feel like this, if she's bigger, well, she can wear this one. If not, she can wear the other one. And then for the car ride home, I have a burp cloth by Burp Bees, just in case. I don't know. I need it. I doubt it, but I have it. And then I have one of these little, today I am one day old, that I got from a registry box. And that's all. like I have 2 outfits just because this one seems super small. And even though she is coming early, I just don't know if it's too small. She's already estimating to weigh 5 pounds. So that's everything for the baby. And then last but not least, out of all of this, I highly recommend you take a tote. I have a Super Bee because you get lots of free stuff from the hospital, like diapers and wipes, mesh underwear, dermaplasts, all sorts of things. That's everything. I have a huge mess now that I have to clean up. I have different lists on my phone by categories just to keep myself organized. I will add those on the screen so that you maybe can take a screenshot if you want to and make your life so much easier. And yeah, that's it. That's everything I have. I am so excited about having this little girl, seeing what she's gonna be like. Scared also because I am gonna be alone. But if you enjoyed it, show me the thumbs up. These are my favorite videos to watch, so I just love being able to film one and put one out there. So yeah, show me the thumbs up if you like it. If you like this type of content, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!